It's Friday and I'm not at work. I straight up went to work today and I asked my supervisor, hey, I said, I got a lot of stuff going on at home. Can I just go home? And he actually said yes. It's like a 5% chance they actually said yes. And he said yes. So I'm going to take advantage of it. So I'm going to update you guys with the car and where we're at. Because last time you saw it, I was doing the window seals and car was still a mess. And car is still a mess. But a little no, it's still a mess. But let me update you guys on that, and then I actually have a surprise for you guys. So since I'm off today, it gives me a little bit of extra time to do something else I wanted to do for a very long time, and I'm gonna do it. So anyways, let me update you guys on the car real quick. I was last time you saw the car, I was changing the window seals. All the window seals, the little $600 window seals. I got them changed on both sides now. And as I was changing it, remember I pulled this one down to try to get that thing up top, and I ripped it. I, they shoot across the street, so it's fine. I pay them back with verbal tune. So I ripped it, and Treats on the Streets actually commented on that video and said they are $500 to replace those new. And he was right. They're $500. I'm not paying $500. So I actually immediately hit up Alex Bagheera. You know, I always get stuff from him. And he actually had a coupe, E36 coupe, with those in there, and they were really good condition. So I actually bought those. I ended up buying all of them because they all, they pretty good condition. They were black, and so I bought the fronts and the rears on both sides, all for $300. It's better than paying $500 for one. So I paid that. So $300 plus the $600 for the other ones. That's $900 in window seals. And I'm actually about to leave the house in about 20 minutes to go pick this one up because I actually found the rear one locally, brand new, and I'm gonna go pick that up from a shop. I thought I had to order that, and I didn't think I was gonna have time to get it, but I messaged somebody, and hey, they got it. So I'm gonna get that too. So that's not the surprise. I'm gonna show you a surprise in a minute. It's coming. I swear. I'm gonna make it real quick. Real quick. The door seals. I'm fixing those right now. Got glue on there. Got some liquid nail Fuse It Max. Supposed to be really good. Only thing, it has a 12-hour cure time, and that kind of sucks. So those are gonna be sitting there with weights on them. I don't have clamps. I'm actually about to go to the store buy some clamps because I got to do this side too. I haven't touched it yet, so I will do that and clamp it, and we're good. I made a mistake. Well, not really. I didn't really make a mistake. Something happened, and shit sucks. So I always keep it real with you guys. Always show you guys good and bad. Losing my breath. I always show you guys good and bad, and the window thing fell. So when I was doing the rear window on the passenger side, this fell out. It's factory glued right here to the window, and the glue just kind of just broke. And because of that, it swung down and it hit my damn car. So it scratched the hell out of my car. So look at the scratch. That is pretty ugly. So it's fingernail. I can feel it on my fingernail. I think it's through the clear coat. Might be able to get re-cleared. I don't know. I'm not a detailer. And there's some other scratches, but not as bad. Those might be able to buff out, but that's pretty thick. So I'm not sure. Figure it out later, but that sucks. So, oh well, that's an L. L I gotta take. I changed the thermostat. I told you guys I did that the other day. I bled the system today. It took me like an hour and a half. I don't know why. It took forever to bleed the system today. But I bled it, and everything is good. Took it for a drive, kept temperature, stayed in boost, and all that stuff, and everything's good. Turbo does still hit the hood very, very slightly. So you can see that little mark right there. Very, very small mark, and it marks right there. So it actually does hit the hood very, very slightly. I don't think it's enough to worry about it. It's kind of, I don't know if it's double walled right here. I thought about cutting a square into it, but I'm kind of scared that will go all the way through. I don't think it will, but I don't want to find out right now. So I also sprayed that black because that stuck out. That's the hinge for keeping it closed. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. Car's good. Just waiting on glue to dry so I can put other stuff back together. And yeah, it's pretty much all I got. So let me go in the house and show you guys my surprise, because I can tell you what it is, but I'd rather just show you. Again, it's gonna be for the locals. Sorry, but you'll know why in a second. I got merch. That's right. I have merchandise. I am making merchandise now. So as you see, I'm going to be making everything in house. So that's why it's going to be local only. Not to say I won't be able to ship to you guys, but not right now. I haven't figured it all out yet. Like I literally just made the shirt. This is the second shirt I ever actually made. So made the first one when I first got everything to see how everything worked, and this is the second shirt I just made on camera. So yeah, merchandise. I'm gonna have shirts for sale at SouthrnFresh. I'm just gonna sell them on my trunk. I didn't get a vendor spot or anything. Hopefully everybody's cool with that. Sorry. This is the prototype. I'm not a graphic designer. I don't know how to use Adobe Illustrator and all that stuff. I'm going to have to learn, obviously, so I can make other designs and all that stuff later. But for today and right now, I have merch. Now, this is going to be the prototype because it's not perfect. Like I said, this is the first design. Kind of had a little bit of edges in there that are kind of weird, but it's not terrible, especially for my first design, and there's definitely some changes I want to make to it. But for the most part, it's a start. So welcome to the first merch. I'm going to be selling these at SouthrnFresh out of the trunk of my car. Like I said, since it's a prototype, since it's the first version, and I'm not like perfectly happy with them, I'm just going to sell them. I'll sell them for like $20. I know typical shirt prices are like 25. Like you go to Slam Enough or something like that, you get a shirt. It's typically like 25. I'm not saying I won't sell my shirt for 25. After a while, I definitely do want to, and I want some money too, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get off this truck, you feel me? I'm trying to be at home every day, you feel me? So I'm definitely gonna try to up my price to like regular prices, but for now, since like I said, since it's kind of a prototype, I'm gonna sell it for cheaper. So $20. See me tomorrow at SouthrnFresh. I will be at the G Technique booth. That's where my car will be, G Technique. I know it's kind of funny that G Technique's like big into detailing and they want me as a boot car and I just scratched the shit out of my car, but it is what it is. Maybe they'll tell me how to fix it or maybe they'll fix it for me. So anyways, that's all I got. So be on the lookout for that merch coming soon. So now that I'm off today, not only do I have time to work on this car and I have to do it in the middle of the night, now I actually have some time to make the merch. I have 50 transfers and I have 50 shirts. So I'm going to be wearing one. So there's going to be 49 shirts for sale. Well, I'm going to give one to Sam. And I don't know. Some shirts are going to be reserved, but for the most part, I'm going to have some shirts for sale. Come get you some shirts, extra large through small. I have a few 2Xs, and I'm also going to have some baby stuff because, I have a baby and I want my baby to wear my stuff. So I have some 18 months, 16 or 12 months, and I have to make those too. Hopefully I can make them all tonight. I don't know. We'll see, but for the most part, I will have something in my trunk for you guys. So that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to get back to work inside and outside. I did that backwards. Inside and whatever. Inside and outside. So stay tuned for the next one. And I will see you guys tomorrow.